What is up and welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about Bitcoin, and that head and shoulders pattern is still uh, playing out, and the target of that remains the same. And also I have tweeted or posted on my X account today about the DOJ is cleared to sell the $6.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. So they have the go signal to sell those Bitcoins. And majority of the altcoins right now are bleeding slowly. Look at this. Ethereum is down by 13% in the past 7 days. XRP, however, is up by 1.23% in the past 7 days. And majority of the altcoins are slowly bleeding, guys. And if Bitcoin is going to break down below that neckline level, then there is a chance that majority of these altcoins are going to drop maybe up to 30%. So today I'm going to talk about this head and shoulders pattern. I have made a video yesterday pointing out this level of resistance here, and exactly today Bitcoin got rejected from that resistance level, 96,000 level. So Bitcoin manages to climb to that level but got rejected. So right now, I told you on my previous video that if Bitcoin will tap into this support level, the more the price taps into this support level, it gets weaker and weaker. So this is the seventh time that Bitcoin is going to attempt to retest this support, guys. And if this support breaks down, the next target that I will be looking at will be around 85 up to $87,000. I've spoke about this on my previous video. We have a huge fair value gap as well below this level, guys. So below $87,000, we have a fair value gap. So this is huge, guys. This is huge. And if this is going to happen, majority of the altcoins are going to bleed really hard. So this is around 13%. And I think if Bitcoin breaks this level, it's going to be fast, guys. Again, I'm going to repeat, if you are going to zoom out, this entire bull market rally, we haven't seen a shakeout on this bull market rally. So on the previous bear market, we have seen Bitcoin correct by around 30 to 50%. But this entire rally, guys, we haven't seen that correction yet. So in my opinion, we could probably see that in the coming months. I have explained that on my other video posted like 2 days ago, guys. So check it out. I will add a link on the upper right corner of the screen. Feel free to check it out. But right now, this is very important that we need to keep an eye on this. Majority of the retails and traders right now are on the sideline waiting for the next move of Bitcoin. But for me, I remain uh, bearish on the market if Bitcoin will not be able to reclaim this $96,000 as a support, guys. So this is going to be my first confirmation that the price could probably reverse and continue to move higher. And the invalidation of this head and shoulders pattern will be around $102,000. So if the price forms or breaks this previous local top, then that would be my invalidation for this head and shoulders pattern. For now, this is still in play. Let's try to check out Chart Prime. Chart Prime Oscillator Pro on the 4-hour time frame. The oscillator breaks down below zero. That is bearish. And if we're going to look at the daily time frame, we have actually a short-term bullish divergence here, but the oscillators is still trading below zero, which I remain bearish, guys. If this oscillator flips this zero into a support, then probably Bitcoin would continue to go higher. For now, I remain bearish. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And let's talk about this DOJ news, guys. This was actually um, released January 9, 2025. So DOJ cleared to sell $6.5 billion worth of Bitcoin seized from the Silk Road. So right now they have a go signal to sell these Bitcoins. And I have shared on my Twitter account two possible scenarios. If the DOJ is going to sell this Bitcoin. So if they're going to sell this using the public exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, this could trigger a short-term sell pressure as Bitcoin moves to hot wallets and floods the market. So if they're going to move it into exchanges, then it is likely that Bitcoin would probably go down. While if they're going to sell it OTC, this might help stabilize the prices as large transactions happen off the order book. So this will not affect the price of Bitcoin if they're going to sell it OTC. So let me know your thoughts, guys. Do you think the DOJ would sell the $6.5 billion worth of Bitcoin soon, or do you think this is just a FUD? But this is based on the news, guys. So let me know your thoughts. A lot of comments here are saying that this is just a FUD, but what I'm showing you here is just what I see on the news plus what I see on the charts right now. Now let's talk about the survey or the poll that I have tweeted or shared on my X account yesterday, guys. So majority is still bullish. Actually, it's almost 50-50, guys, because the market right now is divided. And I've explained this on my previous video that the market makers probably are just waiting for that liquidity hunt, guys. So right now, the market sentiment are almost equal. Majority, 38% are bullish. We got 93 votes on this one, and 33% are still bearish, while the rest of the 28% are neutral. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Are you bullish in the current market situation? Are you bearish or are you neutral? Drop them in the comment section down below. Plus, let's go check out the fear and greed index. So last month, Bitcoin's fear and greed index was on the extreme greed level. And because of Bitcoin's drop from 102 down to $93,000, right now the fear and greed index is still on the greed level. So I think we would probably see a reset. This is just my own opinion, guys. So right now we have the um 3 points here, major points. Fear and greed index is still on the greed level. DOJ is cleared to sell the $6.5 billion Bitcoin. Plus, we have this massive head and shoulders pattern on the daily time frame. So right now, I remain bearish on Bitcoin. In fact, I'm still holding my short position here, which I have opened like a week ago, and I'm still holding the same trade. Again, this is not a financial advice. All charts and CA are for educational purposes only. In my opinion, Bitcoin could still drop to 85 or even $87,000 if that neckline will fail to hold as a support. So that's it for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, destroy that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and of course, click that notification bell. Follow me on my X account for real-time updates, and I'll see you guys on the next one.